Friends, today I will give you a detailed look at the status of BNB Coin and the dynamics of its price fluctuations, as well as when to buy and sell it to maximize your profits. Let's look at the graph showing BNB Coin's lowest price levels, where you can see that a year ago, meaning on July 5th, 2025, it was $500 after this people bought it, and they are very rich today. But I will show you when and how they became rich. These people bought this falling dollar. After this, their profit of $1,313 was realized on October 8th, 2025. Following this, the graph began to decline, though it would occasionally rise, prompting those who had made significant profits to sell off their holdings. Subsequently, on June 27th, 2026, it settled at $537. Those who repurchased it at that $537 mark, and today, meaning it settled at $607 on August 17th, 2026, allowing some people to make a good profit. However, those who do not sell their holdings now could potentially reap even greater profits in the future. After reviewing all this, you should now have an idea of when to buy this coin, BNB, and when to sell it. What do you think? Should this crypto be bought or sold? Share your opinion in the comments section. To see more cryptocurrency updates like this, subscribe to our Deep Con Classes YouTube channel today. I regularly upload short videos featuring crypto, math, and English puzzles, as well as longer videos about crypto to this channel.